All right, while Ricky's out joyriding in Chuck's CTS-V, I'm gonna do my MGW shifter. So first things first, got to remove the boobies. So the trim has to come off up top, and a couple other things like the shift knob, all of which needs to come off in one piece. Gross. I watched a video on this once, twice, 1.5 times, and it didn't seem that hard, but I don't want to break anything, so I'm going to go nice and easy and start pulling up the trim if I can. I don't know where to start, that's the issue. I don't want to break anything. Let's go with a thinner pry tool. Nope. Man, they really make this hard to get out. Let me take out that guy first, step one, and then see what I'm working with back here. I truly don't know where to start prying. A lot of guys use a tool like this, but I feel like it's too wedged. I don't know, maybe these chrome pieces need to come off. I could have sworn someone said that you don't need to take those off, but maybe I will anyway. Just don't want to break anything. Back. Ricky's like, this sucks.
It's fast.
Yeah?
Yeah. How loud was it?
Couldn't hear you once you left.
So, guess what's parked right for your, right in the first year of your complex?
A cop?
No, something better than that. 720 McLaren.
Really?
Rolled up on him.
Damn.
So what's up? That thing fast? You trying to get smacked? And he deferred the conversation to my car. It sounded nice.
Mm-hmm. Maybe he's a humble guy.
No, I wanted to smack him. Hard.
He doesn't want to be embarrassed that his $300,000 car fucking got wrecked.
Got gapped.
By a Cadillac? Ought to gapped his ass hard.
Yeah, probably.
Like, there's no lag at all.
No, it's
It's like instant power.
you should get those tires. Nice. Hot out there.
Yeah, it is hot out. All right, so
Tomorrow's
I got
gonna be
the
like 70.
plastics off. Truck's leaving. It's too loud. I think it's too loud for a street car. If it was like a dedicated track car, that would be fine.
You want to like bring it out to those street races and shit.
Yeah.
But just driving it around, I don't think so. That's like me driving the wagon, all that shit around all the time. No way.
Yeah, it's too much. All right, so I got the plastics off. Now there's 4 Torques in here, but then they don't seem to be loosening. Like they loosen like 2 turns and they get like super tight. So I'm assuming it's from the bottom. So maybe it is time to jack it up. Yeah, like they don't want to loosen. So let's go to the bottom.
Well, Ugga can't fix it.
All right, so MGW shifter, part 1, got the plastics off, the rubber boot off, got the 4 Torques off, which required way too much torque. Funny, torque, whatever. Kind kind of a pain in the ass, to be honest, and the instructions aren't very good for an SS, so Torques are on there with Loctite, pain in the ass to take off. The boots, pain in the ass to take off. Thankfully, they give you new boots, so props to them for that. I was watching their tutorial. There it is.
This is a ZL1, so it's got the V8 shifter, which is the TR6060.
So we're in the process of watching their installation video. Here's everything right here. Super nice stuff. Also having a Corona. So really nice flat stick shifter. That's the OEM boot, so that's trash. Here's the new one down here. Here's the shift ball that's gonna go on there like that. Well, other way. All of this stuff is really nice. Just a little confusing on how to install everything. So we're getting there a little step at a time. But hopefully it all goes in easy now. We'll see. All right, cars for sale. No, I'm just kidding. So this is a total pain in the ass. Very, very much easier if we had a lift, but we don't. So you can see the MGW arms are installed finally. Those little clips on the transmission are a pain in the ass. We are about to put in the body of the shifter. Definitely recommend using a lift. Drop the trans as much as you can. I didn't pull the exhaust. I skipped a lot of steps that they say to do in their video, but fuck that. Bree's washing her truck. Ricky's spectating. So next we have this guy's gonna go in, then the rear bracket, then the front boot holder, front boot, then we'll worry about the Dynamat and everything like that. I'm really not concerned with putting Dynamat on like the arms. Like if there's a little bit of vibration, oh well, like it's the whole point of putting the shifter in. Like I don't want it to drive like a Mercedes. Like I want to feel the road. I want to feel what I'm doing. Factory shifter's sloppy. I want crisp shifts. So I'm not worried about the Dynamat. Maybe the sound deadening material I'll put on top. Aside from that, I'm gonna do the BMR tunnel brace because the factory one is off. And that's it. So we're getting there. Hopefully we'll be able to do a quick pull after we're all done, make sure it works. Yeah. All right. It's in. There it is. What a pain in the ass. That was rough. The rubber boot on the bottom that connects the shifter to the linkage took forever to get on. They said it's like the longest part of the install. We had picks, fingers, all kinds of shit in there, lube, KY jelly.
55 gallon.
55 gallon. It was a pain in the ass. So it's time for a White Claw. And car is back down on the ground with mad positive camber and wheel gap for days. Got to clean up Bree's mess. And then I'm going to take it for a quick spin before I go get ready because we got to head out.
Meatspin?
But meatspin.com.
Demonetized.
Demonetized instantly. Shout out to our sponsor, meatspin.com.
Lemon party.
For all of you guys that remember those, you're the real OGs. So next up is going to be springs and the rest of the BMR shit right here. And I'm going to do the grill for the JK Wrangler.
Saws all the springs that are on there right now, right?
Yeah, exactly. Just cut them off. So
Mexi flesh.
hopefully next weekend, maybe the weekend after. I don't know. But so far so good. We're going to take it for a quick spin, see how she feels.
System ready.
All right. MGW shifter is installed. Very nice looking. Very kind of like sleek. Doesn't pop too much. That's why I kept it with the black knob. And we're going to go for a quick spin. See how she feels. Ricky's in charge of the camera. Make sure we're in performance mode. Reverse works. That's a plus.
Cool.
Oh shit. You want to jump out and grab the wheel chocks?
Nah, just send it.
I'm stupid. I forgot there was chocks behind the rear wheel. Chalk this dick.
KA alert.
All right, back to reverse. super good return springs for neutral. Let me put my seatbelt on. Might be a good idea, eh? All right, that's definitely first gear. Real crispy shifts. And this is also with the air raid intake on as well. So new intake on, new shifter. Hopefully next weekend or maybe the weekend after, all those pops and burbles, we can get the BMR stuff on in the springs. It's a real quick shift. I gotta get used to that for sure. Lord Jesus. I don't even know there's like a side street here. I could be doing drifty donuts over here, bro. Alright, let me... So far, nice and smooth, reverse, everything is right where it's supposed to be. It feels a lot better than factory, for sure. Okay, let's take the traction control off. Fuck it, let's put it in track mode. God damn it. All right, hold on. Let's try this again. There we go, track mode. So if you can see, let me steal that real quick, right there. Track mode, track mode. So that's nothing on at all. Almost got blasted by that guy pulling out. Feels real smooth though, like the shifts are real crisp. We're gonna swing out right here. I feel like it was a little laggy coming out of first gear. That's not, usually it just eats, like it just sits, and so that was different. Oh, no one's coming.
That's good.
That's real crispy. Okay, let's hang right here again, because I gotta go. Let's try launch control real quick while we're in track mode. Nobody coming?
Nope.
Alright, so launch control is first gear, clutch in. Let's head to the track, guys. Very nice. Very, very nice. That's what I'm talking about. If you watch my last video at the track, there is a discernible difference in shifts. Like massively, massively different. Like that thing was chirping all the way into fourth. Very, very nice. Pretty cool how the launch control works, right?
Mm-hmm.
Calm down, rowdy boy. This is also Ricky's first time in the car, so
It's nice.
it's not bad, right?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's what's the word I'm looking for? Unassuming.
Yeah.
Like for being a four-door sedan, heavy, chunky boy, it's not bad. Gets down for sure. Definitely need to do the springs and suspension, and that'll really help. That'll really help.
The tunnel brakes make a difference at all, you feel?
I mean, that's so like
Minor.
minor. Yeah, it's hard to tell. I can't tell. I don't know if that made a difference, but I'm sure it's doing something. I feel like that's more of a side-to-side difference, like when you're in the corners.
Yeah.
Now I need to get my headers and exhaust to make this thing sound a little better. Let's put it back in a performance mode. Gotta love this street. Let me get blasted real quick. Oh my god. I'm gonna get out of here.
2. Well, they're all making rights.
Dope. Until he changes his mind. We get fucking blasted. Woo! Oh man. That intake made a huge difference too. It really breathes
Yeah.
through the gears. Like it definitely did. It felt laggy before. And you like expect there to be body roll, but there isn't.
Yeah.
It's the suspension. It's real nice. If I put it in touring mode, it would be very kind of sloppy. Very cool. Well, I'm glad it didn't fall out yet.
It just disappears.
It just rips out the bottom of the car.
It's like, cool, it was so hard to get the
I
fucking
tightened everything
thing
pretty
out.
fucking tight, so.
That 350, that's always parked in the street.
Yeah. I met them the other night. They have like a mobile detailing business.
Cool.
Too. He's in a roomie. Alright. Dunzo.